Today, the Board of Works took action in several areas. First, we considered the proposal of Lloyds of London for insurance for our policemen for false arrest. Our policemen suffer because of recent court decisions under a possibility of annoying litigation, and we have been concerned about attempting to find protection for our police. And after consulting the insurance committee of the Muncie Insurance Board, they came up with a proposition from Lloyds of London. And we're going to study that and see whether or not in the near future whether we can provide coverage for the police. Secondly, the board received a recommendation from the engineering department about the light at Batavia and Memorial, and the board authorized construction of the light at Batavia and Memorial. Finally, Leon Scott, the principal at Forest Park School, came to us and discussed again the problem of sidewalks. The board is very concerned about safety, the board is concerned about sidewalks, but the board is also concerned about the problem of money. We feel that if we spent $2 million in the city, it would only be a drop in the bucket. There are so many things that have to be done that have priority. As Mr. Harlan pointed out, we're trying to get Tillotson and Granville project, the Tillotson and Granville project completed, or Tillotson-McGalliard project completed. We're trying to get all kinds of important matters done, and the priorities are hard to establish sometimes, but some of these have been established for us, and we're going to carry those out if possible. But we wish that some magic lamp were given us so that we could rub it and get all the monies we need and all the help we need to do all the jobs that need to be done in the city of Muncie. We'd rub that lamp quite a bit.